Successful mulberry cultivation under Central European conditions begins with choosing the right cultivar. To grow a mulberry in an area with unstable winters, late spring frosts, and a shorter growing season, we need a cultivar that is sufficiently hardy, reliable, and well-adapted to a cooler climate. Of the commonly cultivated mulberry species, the white mulberry, Morus alba, is the most suitable for these conditions. Compared with more warmth-loving species, it tolerates frost, poorer soils, and variable weather more successfully. This is precisely why the white mulberry has become the foundation of mulberry cultivation in many parts of Europe. Although it is botanically classified as a white mulberry, its fruits can become dark, intensely colored, and highly attractive when fully ripe. This is important to emphasize because the name white mulberry does not mean that all its cultivars must produce white fruit. In the case of the white mulberry, the species name refers to its botanical classification, not to the color of its crop. In this video, we will introduce 4 exceptionally interesting parthenocarpic cultivars of white mulberry. Their major advantage is that they can produce fruit without pollination. Growers therefore do not need a second tree or a special pollinating cultivar. This is particularly practical in smaller gardens where there is not enough space for several plants. Parthenocarpic cultivars are also highly suitable for growers who want the most reliable crop possible and do not wish to depend on the simultaneous flowering of several trees. The Shelley cultivar is particularly interesting for growers looking for large, dark, and richly flavored fruits. Compared with ordinary mulberries, it appears considerably more modern and attractive. It is suitable for gardens where the mulberry is intended to serve not only as a low-maintenance fruit tree but also as an unusual botanical rarity. In a suitable position, it can produce abundant crops of sweet fruits that are mainly eaten fresh, directly from the tree. Galicia is one of the cultivars that fits perfectly into the concept of large-fruited mulberries for cooler regions. It is suitable for growers who expect a combination of hardiness, productivity, and an attractive fruit appearance. In the garden, it serves as a practical fruit tree that does not require demanding protection while producing fruits that are considerably more interesting than those of traditional old mulberry types. Agate is another valuable cultivar belonging to the group of dark-fruited parthenocarpic forms. Its importance lies in expanding the possibilities for growing large-fruited mulberries in areas where more warmth-loving species would not be a reliable choice. Of particular importance to growers is the fact that it is a female parthenocarpic cultivar capable of producing a crop without a pollinator. In practice, this means easier planting design and greater certainty of obtaining a harvest. Alongside the dark-fruited cultivars, the Shandong mulberry deserves particular attention. This cultivar produces white fruit and presents a different, highly elegant form of the white mulberry. White-fruited mulberries have a distinctive charm of their own. Their fruits appear delicate and clean, and they do not leave such noticeable colored stains when eaten as dark mulberries do. Shandong is therefore an excellent choice for those who prefer pale fruits and a more delicate flavor. Therefore, when looking for a mulberry suitable for the cooler and less stable climate of Central Europe, the white mulberry is an excellent choice. Modern, large-fruited parthenocarpic cultivars such as Shelley, Galicia, Agate, and Shandong represent a major improvement over older cultivars. They produce larger, more attractive, and higher quality fruits while retaining the natural hardiness of the white mulberry. The white mulberry is no longer merely a traditional, low-maintenance tree from the past. In the form of modern large-fruited cultivars, it is becoming an interesting fruit species for contemporary gardens. It combines hardiness, productivity, and decorative value with fruits of excellent flavor. This is precisely why Shelley, Galicia, Agate, and Shandong are among the most interesting options for all growers who wish to cultivate mulberries in the cooler regions of Central Europe.